Good morning, students. Welcome to computer online class. This is Suguna from Good Samaritan School. We are going to study chapter 4, more on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So basically, your topics for today are inserting and editing smart art, adding bullets and numbers, and inserting tables. You have studied about Microsoft PowerPoint in previous class. What is the use of PowerPoint presentation? A PowerPoint presentation is a good way to convey pieces of information to a large audience. PowerPoint is a software program that enhances oral presentation. Students, you have already know how to create presentation in PowerPoint. There are mainly three ways to create a presentation. First one is blank presentation. Blank presentation creates a blank presentation. That is, a blank presentation has a white background and a black text without any additional design element. By default, the presentation only contains a title slide. You can click on the text box and type in your own text. Next way to create a presentation is sample template. Sample templates are the saved presentation which include different themes and layout that help to do our work easily and quickly. Students, see in this picture, this is a sample template. See, these slides have no content but contain design element and encourage the user to place content in specific places to create consistency throughout the presentation. Another way is themes. Themes are the set of predefined format of text, color schemes and graphic element. That is, a scheme is a predefined set of colors, fonts and visual effects that you can apply to a slide. Students, in this chapter, I am going to explain the first topic is how to inserting smart art. What is meant by smart art? Smart art is a way to turn ordinary text into something more visually appealing. See in this picture, it is a graphic way to represent your text in the different layout and style. Let us see how to add smart art in your presentation. First, click the Insert tab and choose the Smart option from Illustrations group. See here, different types of smart art will be displayed here. See here. Choose the type of smart art you want. Let us see, I am choosing this smart art. The selected smart art gets inserted on my slide. Click OK button. Now see this smart art. It's displayed on my screen. So now let us see how to insert text in the smart art. So I am going to insert the text inside the smart art. How can you insert? First, click the text in the smart art and type your text. Just single click and type your own text. Just I am typing one text here. See here. Adult frog. And the next one is here. Just to click it and type your own text. Eggs. And the next tadpole. Like this, you have to enter the text in all in the smart art. This is the way you can insert and add text in the smart art. After inserting the smart art, suppose you want to change the color, layout and style also possible. Let us see how can you editing the smart art. First you have to double click the smart art option. That time you see many smart art tools appear under the design tab. This is the design tab. Using this tool you can change the layout. Layout means that is the many different types will be displayed. And this is the color. You can change the color of the smart art also possible. And so this is the different smart art styles. check this arrow mark, click it here. Either different type of style will be displayed. See here, suppose I want this style. See here, you can select any type here. I'm choosing this one. Let us see in my screen, Smart Art changed into the different type. Same way you can change the color also possible. See here, I'm choosing this color. See the design now. Same way you can choose the different styles also possible. See here. So this is the way you can insert and editing the Smart Art. The next topic is adding bullets and number. You have learned about bullets and numbering in MS Word. These are very important in PowerPoint slide also. Bullets and numbering allow us to present and describe matter in brief and point wise. Students, see in this picture, this is the bullet, a small symbol used to introduce each item in a list. And the next is, this is the number list. Each line begins with a number or letter or separator such as period or parenthesis. Let us see the steps how to add bullets and numbers. First, you got to select the text you want to be number or bullet. And the next, you go to the Home tab and choose the bullets or numbering option from Paragraph tab. The bullets and this is the number. Suppose in bullets, I am choosing this style. See this, how your text will be displayed. This is the bullet. Suppose if you are choosing the number option, see here, again you got to select the text. And then go to Home tab and click the numbered list. See here, I specify the 1, 2, 3. See in my system. So this is the way you can adding bullets and numberings. And next topic is inserting tables. What is meant by table? A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Tables are useful for various tasks such as presenting text, information and numerical data. Students, see in this image, here place the information into rows and columns. This is called table. Let us see the steps how to inserting a tables. First, click the Home tab and then click the New Slide option from the slide group. See here, in this window, different slide layout will be displayed. You got to choose which slide layout include a table placeholder. See this one and then this one and then this one. These 4 layout contain table placeholder. So now I am choosing this one. I'm choosing title and content layout. So now click the table placeholder. This is the table placeholder. After that, click it this one. After that, insert table dialog box appear. Here you got to specify the number of rows and column. See, using this arrow mark, you can choose where column. So suppose I want 4 column and 2 rows. And click OK option. So now see an empty table is displayed. Here if you want to specify the any title, you can specify here. Double click here and then you got to specify a title. Student detail. This is my table name. If you want to enter the details in the table, just click the box and then specify. The first row fully I have specified the head details of the student. First I want the student's name. And the next I want student number and then class, percentage. These are the 4 fields I want in the table. Here you got to specify the student name and the next roll number and then class and then percentage of the student. If you want to add the more details in the table, because I'm here selecting 4 column, only 2 rows only. First row I enter field name and the second row I enter the one student detail. If you want the more data you want to add means just press the tab key automatically another row will be added. Here you have to type the another one student detail. See here, this is the next student detail. Class and percentage you got to specify. This is the way you have to add the table and enter the values. Another one way to create a table using insert. First click the insert tab and then choose the table option from table group. Here you got to choose the insert table option. In this insert table dialog box, you can choose the number of columns and the number of rows you got to choose it. And then click the OK option. So this is the another one way you can create a table in the PowerPoint slide. And another one method is the direct method. You can create a table directly. Go to the insert tab and then here choose the table option from table group. Here see this, these are the small box. If you are clicking, the table will be display on your table. See here it will display 1 into 1 table. That means 1 column, 1 row. And then here see here 2 into 1. That is the 2 column, 1 row table display. See here 3 column and the 1 table will be, 1 row will be displayed. See here 4 column and then 3 rows. See here I am choosing this one. See here in this table display 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and the 3 rows display. Students, these are the 3 ways you can insert table in your slide and then you can add the values. Student, practice all these options in PowerPoint. We will see the next topic on next class. Thank you.